Selecting data. We need to place the cursor in the cell or highlight the group of cells that we want to delete and press the delete key. Steps to clear the data. Click on the single cell or select the cells that you want to delete. Choose the Clear option from Edit menu. Choose the relevant option from the Clear sub-menus. 1. All to delete all formats, contents and comments. 2. Formats to delete formats only. 3. Contents to delete contents only. 4. Comments to delete comments only. Selecting cells. For performing every function or command on any cell or group of cells, first we need to select the cells. Select a row. To select a row, we need to click on the row number on the left-hand side of the spreadsheet. Select a column. To select an entire column, we need to click on the column label at the top of the spreadsheet. Select all cells in a worksheet. Click on the empty grey box in the left corner between A and 1. This area is called the Select All button.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.